What's up guys, you're watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-108877-1. An error has occurred while connecting to the server. It's a network error, simply network error, and I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we go to the screen, and let's go to the settings, go to the user and accounts, and check the login settings. Your console is logged in or not, and check the PSN ID is working or not. Your PSN ID is working or not. Then here we go to the network view, PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, so you're working on the updates under the maintenance. So if the server is working up, then you have a local internet problem. If the server is not working, then you have a server is down, you do nothing. Sony will fix this up automatically. And if the server is working up, you just set your own connection, check the frequency settings, advanced settings. You can change the DNS manually, MTU settings also. Which one is working good in your country, you just put it back here and set up a new connection. Wired LAN 1, you can do a same settings on a wired LAN 1, and the wired LAN 1 is a you just simply connect it from the router to PlayStation 5 and connect a setup internet connection. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of network error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.